Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 50 ways, yeah, I said it, 50 ways to make your YouTube videos just, a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. Also, let me know in the comments how many times I say aesthetic, because I'm probably going to be saying that a lot. Number one, add an aesthetic intro. If you guys haven't seen my video on aesthetic intro templates, go watch that video. Shameless plug, I'll have it in the cards. It's gonna pop up somewhere at any point, so go check out that video. Add grain. So adding grain can make any video look a little bit more vintage, retro, aesthetic, so add grain. Add background. So you can add flowers, you can add palms to your background, you can add whatever you want to your background. You can add motion backgrounds, which I find can be a little distracting, but if done right can totally be aesthetic. Add stars to your videos. Add butterflies. Add a VHS overlay. I really like adding VHS overlays because it just makes everything just look a little bit more like retro 90s old video, family home video type vibes, so I just really like that. Add glitches. Glitches are really great for like transitions also, so like add a little glitch. Add a vintage overlay. This will make anything look old and vintagey. Add the loading overlay. Add clouds. Add hearts. Do the recording overlay. I love this for like vlogs, or like if you're transitioning from like a sit down to like a vlog type b-roll or something like that. I love the like record overlay. It makes it look like you're actually like recording, so love that. Add the video disruption. The subscription button. Also make sure to subscribe. Twinkling stars. TV lines. Photo frames is a really good way to kind of like make it look more aesthetic. I love photo frames. The RGB split. I love a good RGB split. It just kind of like puts you in like this another universe. Adding any black strokes or outlines to your text. Adding like a square box behind your text can make it a lot more aesthetically pleasing. Adding drawing flowers or drawing stars. Adding sound effects can totally make a video, I swear. So just adding little, like when text pops up, like a little pop. Adding sliding text. Zoom ins. Oh my goodness, zoom ins can make a video even more funnier and more aesthetic and make more emphasis on certain parts of the video. Freeze frames. A vertical video. If you guys haven't seen my back to school outfits that you already own, if you guys haven't seen that video, that's an example of doing like vertical video type of vibes. Adding an aesthetic inslate. Adding text or aesthetic text. Some of my favorites are adding aesthetic music. Time lapses. Anything where you're like kind of like speeding up the video can add something extra to the video. Some b-roll. Adding b-roll can kind of capture, bring the attention back to your video. So just to switch it up, change the scene a little bit, add some b-roll. You can draw hearts, make little hearts everywhere. you can draw your text. So anything where you're kind of like handwriting your text, I find that makes it so much more aesthetic. It just does. I don't know why, but it does. Adding photos or images of things that you want to talk about. Add angelic angels. Adding the paint overlay to your video, the Microsoft Paint overlay, or anything Microsoft overlay related will totally make your videos a lot more aesthetic. Doing the wavy text. Alright you guys, so that was 50 ways on how to make your videos more aesthetic and entertaining. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it can help you make your videos a little bit more aesthetic, make your videos a little bit more interesting. Maybe I showed you guys some type of like editing, something that you maybe want to try out. Maybe, I don't know. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.